Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Plus Mind. In this video, we are gonna learn one of the most common and useful topic in math, percent. What is percent? You have probably heard the word percent a lot, like 50% sale, 100% off, 25% battery left on your phone. But what does percent really means? Percent. Well, the word percent literally means per hundred or out of hundred. Per hundred or out of hundred. So if you have 25%, that means 25 out of 100 or 25 divided by 100. If there is 25%, means 25 divided by 100 or 25 out of 100. It's mean a whole box and it's quarter part. If there is 50%, that means 50 out of 100. It's mean it's a whole box and half of it. 50 out of 100. If I write 100%, 100 divided by 100 means complete box. Now, so if you have 25%, 25 means percent means 25 out of 100. I'm going to write it in a fraction as 25 out of 100, 25 divided by 100. When we divide, then our answer in decimal 0.25. So, how we can convert percent into decimals, which is called rate. Every percent problems involves three parts. Three parts: base, second part, and third is rate. Base. Base is a total or a whole amount. Part. How much of the base? How much of the total or a base? It's a percent itself. Or I describe you how we can convert percent into rate. It's a percent, but it's a decimal values. 25% divided into 100. We drop sign in a percent into 100 and we write from the left to two values to the right. It will become 0.25. So rate is a percent itself. Let's look an example. If you spend $15 out of $100, out of $100, then what it means? 15. What is 15? What is $100? You know this. It's a complete value. It's a whole amount. 100 is a base. Total of whole amount. It will be base. $15. How much of the base? If you spend 15 out of 100 means it's a part of this $100. It's a how much of the base. How much of the 15% out of 100 means it's a part. Now, so 15 is a part, 100 is the base. The rate is will be, what will be the base a percent? 15 out of 100. So our it will be 15%. So our formula will be part over base is equal to percent. But if you want to more simplify, then it will be part over base rate over 100. And that is the basic structure of every percent problem. Now here is a cool trick. You can think of every percent problem as a proportion. If you want to understand a proportion, you can see my video, which show the link in the description. This means part over base or rate over 100. This is called the percent proportion formula. This is called the percent proportion formula. And by this, we can find out any missing value. 10 is 20% of 50. 10 is 20% of 50. In this, O50 tell us it's a total, it's a base, 10 it's a part, and it's a percent. So, we write the formula part over base is equal to percent, that is 10 divided by 50, it will be 20%. Okay, we will use the calculator. 10 divided by 50 is equal to 0.2, and we multiply by 100 to convert into percent, it will be 20%. So you know this value is equal to this. 10 divided by 50 is equal to 20%. If we want in the 10 divided by 50, 20 divided by 100, there is a, if you cross multiply, 10 multiplied by 100, 20 multiplied by 50, then it will be 1000. There will be 1000. It means both values, both sides are same. So by the both values are same. So if one value is missing, then you can find out the missing values by this cross multiplication. If you write 10 is 20% of 50. If we write what is 20% of 50, what we will do, we will write the formula part over base is equal to percent. There will be, what will be the part? 10 of 50. 10 divided by 50 is equal to 20%. But if question asks that 10 is what percent of 50, then what you will do, you will want to find the percent. You don't know about percent. So you will be right there, 10 is the part and 50 is the base. Then 10 divided by 50, it will give the answer you 20%. So if another example, if in which 10 is 20% of what, then what you will do? You will again write the formula part over base is equal to percent. So we know 10 is a part, base, value percent, 20%. What you will do? You will find out the base. 10, we will cross multiply. 10 divided by 20%. There will be base. So what you will do? You will divide 10 divided by 20. You will press the shift button. This is a percent sign. On this bracket button, our answer will be 50. So you completely understand how we can find out the unknown values by these formula. Example number 1, 20, what percent of 20 is 3? Okay, we know it is a part, it's a part, it's a base, and we want to find out the percent. So we write the formula part over base is equal to percent. 20 is base, 3 is a part, so we write 3 over 20. So our answer is, when we divide them, 3 divided by 20, our answer is 0.15. But we need an answer in percent. What we will do, we will multiply with 100, it will be 15%. There will be answer in percent. Now, we can also add their other value, fourth value, there will be rate over 100. Percent, we can write percent into rate over 100. So we want to find the rate, we write in x, 3 over 20. So there will be 100. We will cross multiply. By this cross multiply, we can find out the missing values. 3 multiplied by 100, x multiplied by 20. So 300 divided by 20. So our answer will be 0.15. It's a rate, but we want an answer in percent. So it will become 15%, because we write two places right from the left. Example number 2, a company made 900 fixtures and 18 of them were defective. Now, then 900 fixtures means there's a total. 18 of them tell us it's a part of the base. It's a base. But defective. But percent were defective. We want to find the percent. So we will rewrite the again formula. Part over base is equal to rate over 100. Now, so there is a part is 18 and base is 900. So we write the x for the missing values. There is 100. What we will do, we will cross multiply. 900 multiply x, 18 multiplied by 100. There is 1800. X is there, 900. There will be 2. X is equal to 2 and 2% were defective. Cross multiply, we can find out the missing values. Remember, whenever you see a percent problem, think of the three parts, which are the part, base, and rate. And use the formula. Part over base is equal to rate over 100. We can also write this part over base is equal to percent. Three values can be changed, rate, part over base, 100 can never be changed. This formula, it works every time. Just plug in what you know, cross multiply and solve for the missing numbers. That is it for today's lesson. If the video helps you understand percent better, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to A+ Mind and share with your friends. See you in the next video, where we will learn how to find the base where the percent and part are known. Until then, keep learning and keep smiling.